This is tutorial of crochet retro small flower hairpins. You need a 5 cm duckbill clip. Let's learn it with the tutorial. Magic ring. Bring the hook through the thread, make a knot, and make a single crochet stitch in the loop. Then chain 2 stitches. This is a set of patterns. Beginner can mark the first single crochet stitch with a marker. Okay, continue to hook a single crochet stitch in the loop, then 2 chain stitches. You need to crochet 4 groups in total. Tighten the loop and slip through the stitch with the marker. Okay, the first round is done. Second round, chain 2 stitches. Insert the needle into the 2 stitches of the last round. Bring the thread over and hook an incomplete half double crochet stitch. You need to crochet 2. Yarn over and pass through all loops. Chain 2 stitches. Add this chain stitch. Continue to crochet 2 incomplete half double crochet stitches. Chain 2 stitches. Slip up at the single crochet stitch. This is a set of patterns. Okay, continue to crochet the second set. Slip up at the single crochet stitch. Everyone can complete the remaining 2 groups according to the rule. Connect to the first single crochet stitch. Pick out the end of the thread. Then insert the needle from the back. Bring the thread to the back. Hide it behind. Change to white thread. Insert the needle into the single crochet stitch of the first round. Bring the thread over and chain 3 stitches. Then, add the 2 chain stitches, slip up. Chain 3 stitches. Continue to slip. Chain 3 stitches. Slip through at the single crochet stitch of the first round. This is the first one done. Okay, let's hook the second group. Chain 3 stitches. Slip through and chain 3 stitches at the chain stitch. Slip up. And slip through 3 stitches at the single crochet stitches of the first round. The second pattern is completed. Everyone finish the remaining 2. Prepare a 5 cm clip, 2 small pearls, and stick them on. And stick the pearl on it. This little hairpin is done.